What's going on? So today I'm going to test the cooking capability of the pack that I bought. It's the Pathfinder stainless steel bottle cook kit. I did the last video on this one, so I'm just going to test it out. This is the Mini Inferno all-weather fire. Using half a puck here. See how well it catches. Just right off. Put it on later if I want it on there. It's kind of windy out today. You can't hear it in the video, but I don't think it'll be a problem starting this. Oh, that's almost it. Oh, there she goes. Nice. That wasn't bad. That didn't take too long. It's got a nice little flame. Just gonna grab some leaves. See if that starts it. Like I said, it's super windy. I don't know if it's helping the fire or hurting the fire, but looks like it might be hurting it. Yeah, it's blowing it right out actually. Sucks. Yeah, you can see the puck didn't finish burning. The fire put it right out. I mean, the wind put it right out. So let's go with a match. You know what? Got some fatwood here. I think this will do the trick. Keeping it lit. Stop the wind from blowing it out. Started with those twigs. I would have just started with the fatwood. Look at this thing. Already got some coals going. Gonna cook some ramen. It's gonna be sweet. Good old ramen. It's a delicacy. Oh, get that bad boy. Oh yeah. Boom. Just take the base. Stick it on the coals there. Burn your hand. Take your dirty ass cup, put it on that. Take your water, put your fire out. What the fuck? Oh yeah. There we go. They're supposed to boil together. Listen, you're not in my video, right?
Jesus.
There we go. Ramen's in. There's the holes. Fuck you. Nice. Ramen's in. Alright, we got some bubbles. Let's see if it's done. There we go. Nice. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Take that out. Drop it back in the fire. Just for extra security. Home. Oh, those handles don't even get hot. That was in there the whole time. And I'm holding it fine. They didn't heat up at all. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's pretty nice. All right, now we know it works.